Today I'm going to show you how to copy bookmarks or favorites from one profile to another in Microsoft Edge. To get started, open up Microsoft Edge and make sure you're in the account that contains the bookmarks or favorites that you want to copy. If you are not, click on this little profile icon at the top right and then choose the correct profile that has the bookmarks. In this case, I'm on the right account, so to get started, locate this little star icon. If you can't find it, click on Settings and then Favorites. And then this menu will pop up. At the top of this menu, click on the three dots again and then Export Favorites, and make sure you're doing this all in the account that has the bookmarks that you want to import or copy. So click on Export and then save this HTML file anywhere you want, and make sure you name it if you have similar named folders. So this is going to be like example user bookmarks, because this account that I'm in is called example user, and then click save. So once you're done that step, go on to your profile that you want to paste those bookmarks in. So in this case, it's called example user 2. I'm going to go in it, and then to import those favorites, click on the profile icon again, and then click on the little gear icon. This will take you to the settings. Scroll down until you see import browser data. Click on that. And then under other import locations, click import next to import browser data now. So click import, and then in this drop down, select the favorites or bookmarks HTML file. And then you can keep this checked, because if you don't, this will not work. Click choose file and then locate where you put that HTML file that you downloaded, and then click open. And then it will say all done. Click done, and if you don't see your bookmarks, just click Ctrl-Shift-B, because they were probably hidden, and there we go. We have all the bookmarks that were on the previous account, and then even the nested folders that we had were all copied down to this account. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.